Your way to top search rankings with Sparkz Marketing. The ever-evolving world of search engine algorithms. 1. Algorithm evolution. Sparkz Marketing acts as your SEO compass, helping you navigate the shifts and updates that impact your website's visibility. 2. User intent insights. Sparkz Marketing provides insights into the ever-growing importance of aligning your content with what users are actively seeking. 3. Trend spotting. We'll explore emerging patterns in search algorithms, ensuring your strategies are always one step ahead. Practical tips for optimizing website content. 1. Keyword mastery. Learn how to conduct keyword research and seamlessly integrate them into your content for maximum impact. 2. Engaging content strategies. Sparkz Marketing shares techniques to create engaging and shareable content that not only captures attention, but also impresses search engines. 3. SEO audits. Sparkz Marketing provides a checklist to ensure your website is in optimal condition, ready to conquer the search results. The importance of local SEO for businesses. 1. Local listings magic. Consistent NAP information across online platforms is a vital aspect that we'll explore in detail. 2. Google My Business optimization. Sparkz Marketing shares step-by-step instructions on optimizing your GMB profile and making your business shine in local searches. 3. Local SEO success stories. Sparkz Marketing showcases the impact of targeted local optimization. With Sparkz Marketing as your guide, you're not just navigating the SEO galaxy. You're conquering it, one optimized page at a time.